Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more crypto platform reviews and tips. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using the platform. Today, we're taking a deep dive into Independent Reserve, a cryptocurrency investment platform. We'll explore its core features, identify who it's best suited for, and determine whether it's a reliable option for crypto investors. Independent Reserve, founded in 2013, is a highly reputable Australian cryptocurrency exchange. Regulated by AUSTRAC, it serves both individual and institutional investors, providing a secure, fully compliant, and tax-efficient trading platform. Supporting over 30 cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, and Litecoin, it facilitates direct deposits and withdrawals in AUD, NZD, SGD, and USD. A standout feature of Independent Reserve is its automated dollar cost averaging (DCA) tool. This allows users to automate their crypto purchases at regular intervals, minimizing market timing risks, which makes it a particularly attractive feature for long-term investors. Furthermore, the platform integrates with KPMG's Crypto Tax Calculator, simplifying tax reporting for Australian users. Trading fees begin at 0.5% but are tiered, decreasing with higher trading volumes, which benefits active traders. For high-net-worth individuals and institutions, Independent Reserve offers over-the-counter, OTC, trading, providing substantial liquidity and competitive pricing for large transactions. Security is a top priority at Independent Reserve. It employs robust security measures, including two-factor authentication, 2FA, multi-signature cold storage, and adheres to full regulatory compliance. Significantly, the exchange boasts a spotless security record, having never been hacked, which solidifies its reputation as a secure platform for fiat and crypto transactions. For fiat transactions, Independent Reserve supports bank transfers and SWIFT deposits. However, it does not currently support credit or debit card purchases, which might be inconvenient for some. It also lacks derivatives trading and more sophisticated DeFi features, positioning it more towards investors rather than high-risk traders. In summary, Independent Reserve is an excellent option for Australian and New Zealand investors seeking a secure, regulated, and tax-efficient cryptocurrency exchange. Its robust fiat support, automated investing tools, and institutional-grade security make it a strong platform for both novice and seasoned traders. However, if your trading strategy requires futures or margin trading, or you're looking for a wider selection of altcoins, you may want to consider alternative platforms. If Independent Reserve sounds like the right fit for you, check out the links in the description below to get started.